this nature-inspired project, you'll create a textured flower necklace with a gold or silver granulated center using traditional silversmithing techniques. You'll start by choosing a flower template that you'd like to capture in precious metal. From there, you'll pierce out your design before choosing from one of 3 different texturing techniques. You'll then dome your flower before creating tiny granule details for the center. You'll solder your granules and jump ring before finally bringing your flower necklace up to a shine. The key techniques we'll cover in this project are piercing and filing, texturing metal using different techniques, doming and forming silver sheet, using scraps or jump rings to make perfectly spherical granules, hard and medium soldering, and polishing either by hand, barrel, or pendant motor. This project is broken down into 9 easy-to-digest narrated video lessons plus bonus technical tutorials. You can follow this project at your own pace, and if you want to take a break, the progress bar will keep track of where you are so you can pick up where you left off. In the resources section, you'll find printable written instructions to keep on your bench, 18 flower templates to choose from, and a full tools and materials list with supplier links. And if you get stuck along the way, don't hesitate to get in touch. I'm here to personally answer your questions to ensure you fully enjoy the making process and complete your project.